What's going on, baby?
Hey,
What are we doing?
I'll show ya.
Oh, dang! That's unexpected.
Yeah. So we're going to my first prenatal appointment.
Yeah. You
Come all ye faith.
Kawioli and Genie Harper Eggnut. Does that sound like anything?
Come. Oh wait. Come adore on bended knee.
Just say it out loud. Kawioli and Genie Harper Eggnut.
Kyle and Ginny.
Oh! Harper Eggnut? Are pregnant?
Net?
What?
No!
Stop it!
What?
What?
How is that possible?
Oh my gosh!
What?
Are you
How?
serious?
We don't.
What?
Cow Yell and Jamie Harper Eggnut.
I was doing good for a while there.
You were on a roll.
The hardest one.
This is the hardest one.
Yeah,
Okay, Tony, Carolyn, help him out because this
Yeah.
is the last one.
Yeah.
Okay. Kawiol and Ginny.
And Ginny.
Kawiol.
Kyle. Ginny.
Kyle and Ginny. Kyle and Ginny are crazy. Kyle and Ginny.
And Zinni
Ginny
are
pregnant. What? What? Are you
really?
Yeah.
Holy crap!
It's like you won't even pick her up because she's shrieking.
Oh my gosh! When did you find out?
I was pregnant when I was with you in Grand Rapids.
What?
I didn't know.
You didn't know.
I thought you guys couldn't get pregnant.
We did too. He was told it was statistically unlikely, and I was told that it would be very difficult. So anyway, we weren't careful. I guess that's what happened.
Who figured it out? You?
No, Mom said it in a very high-pitched voice.
Yeah. Yeah, and then there was nothing audible for like a minute there after. I thought the audio was cutting out, but I'm pretty sure Mom was just on a different frequency.
We have footage. We'll go back and
Yeah,
we'll
we're
check.
recording this.
Oh, I want to see it.
Yeah.
Go have babies everywhere.
I know.
Gonna be an uncle and an aunt over here.
Yeah,
Read the last one.
Shipping's a nightmare this season, we fear. We're sorry this gift won't arrive till next year.
Well, it did.
the rest of it.
The rest of it.
The rest of it. Okay.
We love you and know that you're gonna be grand. Oh my God, and coming July. Are you shitting us?
Oh my God.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, no, we're not kidding.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
I'm gonna cry.
show everybody the picture.
Oh.
Congratulations.
Oh, buddy.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Congratulations. Oh
my
goodness.
Look at this.
Wow.
Hello, Grandma and Grandpa.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
No, I think
Yeah,
I
like-
could be.
Congratulations.
Grand popped right out at me.
Oh.
It's the first word on the whole page after reading the gift coming next year. I saw grand and boom,
How about great grandpa?
Oh wow, July, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
well, congratulations.
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 My gosh.